What does a 3 to 6 month international program across the USA and Taiwan look like during engineering? At JNN Institute of Engineering, 35 to 45 students experience it every year. And for those students, it's just the start of a journey where exposure brings not only new experiences and friendships, but also opportunities for growth. First, placements. In 2026, the Institute reported an 86% placement rate. Overall, student outcomes were distributed as approximately 80% placements, 15% pursuing higher studies, and 5% opting for entrepreneurship. The highest package stood at 28 LPA with a median of 6 LPA. Recruiters include Hexaware, JustPay, and TCS, along with 30 plus regular companies. Roles range from software development and AI/ML to embedded systems, design, automation, and analytics. But how are students prepared for these roles? Training starts from the first year and builds through the program. Aptitude, communication, technical skills, and interview preparation run alongside academics. Mock interviews, coding competitions, and hackathons are conducted regularly. Students also work through platforms such as Code Tantra, IamNeo, and PrepInsta. Certifications through AWS, Microsoft Azure, MongoDB, and Infosys add another layer to the preparation. Then, internships become part of the journey. They are encouraged early and become mandatory from the second year. Students move into summer internships, longer industry internships, and project-based work. Companies include IBM, Zoho, Cognizant, and Virtusa. Alongside this, students also gain exposure through local industries, where the stipend ranges from 8,000 to 15,000 rupees per month. Fourth, admissions follow a clear merit-based route. Entry happens through TNEA counseling. Selection is based on Class 12 PCM scores. CSE and ECE typically fall in the 165 to 170 range. Other programs follow their own cutoff patterns depending on the course. Fifth, the academic focus is built around emerging fields. Programs center around areas like AI, data science, cybersecurity, VLSI, and robotics. Specializations cover machine learning, deep learning, data analytics, embedded systems, and industrial automation. Seat intake reflects that direction, with higher capacity in CSE and AI-related programs. Industry collaborations with IBM, Apple, Texas Instruments, and Intel add applied exposure to those areas. Sixth, scholarships and student support are built into entry. Merit-based scholarships are offered for high cutoff scores. Around 20% of students receive this support. For top performers, JNN also offers a free laptop. Additional support comes through external foundations as well. Seventh, infrastructure supports both learning and activity. The institute sits on a 75-acre campus with 54 labs and 24 centers of excellence. Labs including Intel Unnati, the Apple Lab, and the Fanuc Robotics Lab add technical depth into daily learning. Centers such as Apple Coding and Chip2 Design bring industry tools onto campus. The campus also includes a large library, an auditorium, an amphitheater, and active student spaces. Sports facilities cover both indoor and outdoor facilities. The location adds another practical layer. It is around 24 kilometers from Chennai on the Chennai-Periyapalayam highway with over 50 buses covering the city and surrounding regions. Residential life is built at scale too, with 5 hostels accommodating around 2,500 students along with Wi-Fi, dining, recreation spaces, and essential services. Eighth, faculty and teaching shape the classroom experience. The faculty-student ratio stands at 1:16. Most faculty members hold postgraduate degrees and many have PhDs and industry exposure. Teaching follows an outcome-based approach. Learning moves through lectures, labs, case studies, and projects. Foreign language training is also part of the system, with students clearing Japanese and German certifications. Ninth, research and innovation run alongside academics. This is one of the strongest parts of the institute's profile. The college supports research through labs, centers, and funded projects. Over time, it has filed over 2,600 patents along with multiple grants supported by agencies such as AICTE and METI. On the student side, innovation extends into startups. Examples include ventures like Dark Dragon Celestis and Aptopex. Additionally, JNN Camp strengthens coding, problem solving, and employability in a more structured way. 10th, campus life, exposure and recognition round out the picture. Clubs span technical, cultural, language and sports areas. Events run through the year including festivals, symposiums and competitions. Professional bodies like CSI, IETE and IEI are active. Students also get access to international programs, semester abroad options and global collaborations. The alumni base crosses 3,000 with presence across IT, core engineering and service sectors including roles in global companies such as Amazon USA. Academically, the institute holds NAAC A-grade accreditation, NBA accreditation for key programs and autonomous status under UGC with affiliation to Anna University. And that is what connects the whole picture. Placements, training, internships, research and exposure keep feeding into one another. For students comparing engineering colleges, that is the part worth watching closely. For more, comment JNN.